actually received some subscriber mail, I guess you call it. Chrissy, who is a lovely, lovely lady and always sends me lovely messages and writes lovely comments, sent me a whole brown package. We're supposed to be exchanging the, is it Ellis Fass lipstick, because that colour I got I didn't like and she liked, and the colour she got she didn't like and I liked. So we're exchanging. I haven't sent it yet, but she is ahead of the game and has already posted this whole box, which looks a lot more than a lipstick. So I thought I would open it on camera. So sorry, Chrissy, because I know that I've had this, I don't know, 10 days at least. But I wanted to save it for a video like this, because if there is more stuff in there, then I feel like since you've been so lovely to send it to me, you deserve your own segment. Oh, and don't worry, I will be sending out your lipstick in my stuff tomorrow. We have a box. Glowy. What brand is this? Like, what is that, a beauty box brand? I don't know. This is very naughty, Chrissy, because this wasn't our deal. But thank you very much. You are too kind. Look at that beautiful card. Not a Christmas card, as I think you'll receive this after Christmas. I've included a few little extras I thought you might like. I also popped in a small keepsake. My apologies, I ruined the packaging when I opened it to check. Oops. Check the contents. Wishing you and the Hand of Destiny a wonderful 2019. Love always, Chrissy. Chrissy, that's so nice. Thank you. Oof, you're making me have the shivers, like I might cry, but I'm not going to cry because I'm a big girl. That's really nice, thank you. I don't know why I'm getting all emotional. I'm the one that's supposed to be being Santa, not you. But thank you. What is in this little box? I wonder if this is what you meant by the keepsake. Look at that! Wow, that is amazing. I've never seen anything like this. It's a little handbag, I think. Does it open? That is so cool. That's beautiful. I don't know where you would have got that. Do you know, that is perfect for keeping rings in or even keeping eyelashes in, because I'm forever putting my eyelashes down in the wrong place, not pairing them up. But I could just pop them in here and then close it up and keep them safe and together and not knock them on the floor and then lose one and then try and match odd pairs. I'm not sure which I'll do with it, but one of those two things this is perfect for. Wow, thank you so much, Chrissy. That is so thoughtful. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful as well. It's really heavy too. Right, let's see what's in this little bag of goodies. The little boutique bag company. So first we have a lovely makeup bag or wash bag or whatever you want to call it bag. 2 sides worth of stuff. So the first one is the Ellis Fass lipstick, which is what we're supposed to be swapping. Ugh. I forgot how to use it then, because I got the sort of peachy coloured one and this is the one that I really wanted. Yes, that's much more up my street and it's much more the texture I wanted as well. Oh, I lost my breath then. It's much more what I wanted, and that's the texture I wanted rather than the gloss as well. I'm so excited to try that, so thank you, Chrissy. And then what do we have here? The Douce Freematic Highlighter. Look at that shiny goodness. Got to do a little swipe, just a little swipe. There we are. That's lovely, because that can be like, not exactly subtle, it's definitely there. But then of course you can layer it up as well. Very nice. Look forward to trying that out properly, but not when my face is already this shiny. What else is in here? Now this I know and love because this is in my makeup bag already. I can't remember what box we got it in, but I use it most days, so definitely happy to have another one of these. If I say these, I'll say what it is. It's a Laura Geller Bates Gelato Highlighter in Gilded Honey. Yeah, it's good. It's not, I wouldn't say it's exactly subtle, but I find it really blends really easily and well on my skin, and doesn't look too obvious, but does give you that really nice golden glow. I bet I know what this is. Is this a Steve Laurent lip gloss? I love Steve Laurent stuff. I said that in my other video, didn't I? I just love the packaging. I think it's so cool. And I am really not doing well at taking things out of packets. Just look at it, it's beautiful. I haven't actually worn mine. I've put it on my hand and I've messed around with it, but I haven't actually worn my one of this yet. But I really liked it because I thought the colour was really opaque for considering it's supposed to be a lip gloss. You know me well, Chrissy, you know the kind of thing I like. Definitely up my street. Never tried this before. Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer. Got the classic, what's it called, doe foot applicator that I'm loving on all of my Maybelline products. Look at that. Do you know what? I've got this colour in a matte and I've got this colour in a crayon, but have not got this colour in a liquid like gloss like this. And that colour is really nice and opaque as well. Love it. You know when you've just got certain colour like tops or something, and I've got a couple of things that are just that colour, and if you wear the wrong colour like red, it doesn't look right. But when you wear the right colour like reddy orange or whatever colour tone of red it is, it looks perfect. So thank you very much. Aha! More stuff from Deuce. This is the Winterberry crayon that got, which one did we get it in? Was it Glossy Box? I can't remember, but I really like this, so I'm happy to have some more. Thank you. I'll just show you what it looks like. It looks like that. I find that really easy to apply, and for me it lasts well, so I like it. It's like all my favourite things. Oh, look. That's like, they're very similar, aren't they? But you see what I mean? Just a tiny bit difference in the tone. It makes all the difference when you're trying to match up clothes and stuff. I love Sleek Matte Me lip creams. They're so nice. Yes, that's more like Firebox red. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. It's like Christmas has come again. A MAC lipstick? Are you joking? Chrissy, what is up with you? I hope this is stuff that you've been saving from your stash and not stuff you went out and bought. Obviously, I appreciate that you have bought me some things. That is so nice. But like, you're naughty. I don't even know how you open this thing. It must come apart, mustn't it? Versicolor Stain Forever Darling. Do you know, I think, I don't think I own anything from MAC, you know. Wow, how exciting. Oh, should we add it over here so we can see all the colours? It's like, you know, I like red things. See, also not exactly the same. How many shades of red are there in the world? That's so cool. Thank you so much. Oh, I can't wait to try that out properly. Christmas is still happening for me. And there's still more stuff. There's like 2 more things. So we have Rimmel London Apocalypse in the colour Big Bang. Is this going to be red? I think you know that I like red. You've gone with the red theme. Oh, that's so nice as well. I love that's kind of like a cherry kind of red. Love it. Thank you so much. I haven't got any Apocalypse lipsticks, so that is another new one for me to try. And this Estee Lauder, like, what? You are too good to me. Pure Colour Envy in Vengeful Red. There we go. True lipstick. You're giving me all of your best things. And that one is a more pinky red. Wow. Oh, sorry, I can't hold my arm anymore. My back is killing me. Oh. Anyway, I am so thrilled with all of those things. I cannot believe you sent me so much stuff. For starters, it makes me very glad that I haven't sent you yours yet, because now I know exactly what I'm going to put into your box, probably, that I'll send you. And it'll be more than just one lipstick, that's for sure. But thank you so much. That is way too generous, but I totally appreciate it. And thank you for just being kind and being my friend. I like it. Thank you very much, Chrissy. It's nice, isn't it, when people are nice in the world? You don't have to send me stuff to be nice, by the way. But it's very nice when people are nice.